Bring it in, because you have got to get rid of the fear. They are fear mongering. Did people die? Yes. Is it the circumstances that appear? Probably not. Why New Orleans? Why not? It is an international favorite place. If they can focus on a place and then the Super Bowl was about to be there, why not? Yes, all eyes are on this place. And for anybody who had any plans to come here, then let's just go ahead and install some fear in them too, even get them scared to where they won't come. And if we can target this place that's already got so much shit going on with it anyway. I mean, listen, y'all, since Hurricane Katrina, even before, there has, and energetically, New Orleans has some stuff going on with it. Hell, and I'm with you. So I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with the place. I'm saying because there's so much right with the place, it will continue to be a target. When are y'all gonna figure out that they have a plan for you and the plan looks like it's going awry and they don't want that to happen? So they use what's always worked. It's an energy grab. Whatever they can get you focused on and sharing and so afraid is going to happen to you. And yes, there are indeed some casualties from what they do. Do y'all see me with my New Orleans shirt on? That I'm from New Orleans. It's not a stoic move to not be moved by what they do. It's a courageous move to keep my fucking energy. And I'm telling you, keep your energy. Don't put it out there. Let it not be for sale. Let it not be something they can use and capture. Because if they can capture your energy, they can snatch your nervous system. If your nervous system stays jacked up, you will never get to a point of calm so you can hear your intuition. Baby, there are two systems in operation right now, and you keep choosing the human consciousness programmed system instead of foregoing all the shit that programmed it and tapping back into your divine consciousness, which is pure truth. That's where you can hear from source, because you are source. But not as long as you allow your energy to be harvested by them in the ways that they do. I'm telling you, the shit did not go down the way they're telling you it went down. They want you focused on a particular group again. We've been here before. Stop. Just stop. Step back. Don't share another thing. And all the folk from NOLA who are, listen, TikTok pay people for this shit, y'all. If they looking for some content, and they can come for me all they want, I'll give up. Remove yourself as bait. Stop being baitable. It's an energy grab. But you gotta get far enough away from shit to actually see it. I left the United States during the pandemic because it was too fucking much and for too long just doing the same shit over and over again and getting y'all on these bandwagons. It works. They do it because it works. Now being from New Orleans, y'all, I got a love-hate relationship with the place. And Lord, that's my business. You don't get to tell me about how I need to be about a place that I was born and bred. That's my business, all right? Makes all the sense in the world to me why New Orleans. For those of you who are going, oh, it's a shame, listen, shit has changed. Some of y'all still trying to maintain things that will never, ever go back to anything. There is no reverting to nothing, ever. When your life changed, that shit changed for a reason, and you need to get on the evolutionary process, revolutionary systems and changes that it's on. Our world is in a revolution right now. And y'all still trying to hold on to the ordinary shit. I mean, hell, all right, let me let that go. Let me leave this shit alone, because those who have ears will fucking hear. Those of you who are still out here uh, chasing the bullshit that they have told you is important to focus on, you're gonna do that anyway. That's what human consciousness programming does. But for those of you who recognize that it's a human consciousness programming that's got you identifying with the social constructs and the bullshit, and you ready to pull away from that shit, because that's where whatever you identify with has the power to govern and control you. They've been governing and controlling your ass because you believe in them. You think you need them. You think they have some authority over you. They do not. When you tap into your sovereignty, understanding the full awareness of all things, of all consciousness, and you tap in at the highest vibrations of it, they can't fucking touch you. But because you don't understand what the fuck I'm saying, then you just gonna cuss me out. Well, that's some ignorant shit. Stay over there on them bandwagons. I ain't talking to you. But for those of you who know that it's time out for the bullshit, and you know we're living in a different time, and you know this shit has changed, and you know energetically life is different, then baby, it's time to tap in at a higher vibration. It's time to shift fucking gears. It's time to change your operating system. If this is the first you're hearing about your sovereignty guide, unveiling your unlimited innate power to rise above everything you fear, is free. Look in the description box below, and there are videos that go along with it. It's time. You say you want shit to change, but you won't. You have to be the change you want to see. And it's not in the activism that has never worked. All right? All right, that's all I got. Bye. I'll stop this shit.